For this project in a new community in St. Johns County, our client wanted to transform their side yard into something special, a quiet, tucked away secret garden, while also refreshing their backyard living space with artificial turf. We kicked things off with a full tear out, taking advantage of direct side yard access to the street. Once we removed all the dormant grass and debris, our team moved into grading the space to establish a solid foundation. From there, our crews worked both the side yard and backyard simultaneously to keep the project moving efficiently. Base material was carefully wheelbarrowed in and installed, followed by precise grading and compaction. Along the side of the home, we installed a clean, functional walkway of stepping stones, creating both access and visual flow from the front yard through to the backyard. As we moved into turf installation, attention to detail became everything. A properly compacted base is critical. It prevents future weak spots, dips, or washouts. Once that foundation was dialed in, we installed the turf with the right tension to eliminate wrinkles and ensure a smooth, natural finish. Every cut, especially around borders and stepping stones, requires precision and consistency to achieve that seamless look. The end result is exactly what the homeowner envisioned. The side yard now feels like a private retreat, clean, refreshed, and inviting, while the backyard is one step closer to a complete outdoor oasis. The new turf delivers a vibrant, lifelike appearance without the maintenance, creating a space the family can enjoy year-round. As we move through the spring season and the surrounding landscape continues to recover from winter, this property will only continue to improve, offering a consistently green, polished view from inside the home, the patio, and even the hot tub. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor space, whether it's artificial turf, putting greens, hardscaping, or lighting, we'd love to help bring your vision to life at Jack's Outdoor Solutions.